Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the Wood Veneer Hub review 2 years later. So I had these wood slat panels installed by myself for about 2 years now, and so it's located in my office like what you see right over here. But with this setup, my left wall is green. This is where the Wood Veneer Hub panels are, and then my right side wall is black. Okay, so I did paint both walls. And to give you more context, my room, or this wall that you see right over here, is 12 feet by 8 feet. So I did have to purchase 6 wall panels, but the exact panels that I got, let me actually show you. They're the luxury American walnut acoustic slat wood wall panels. Okay, and so I'll leave a link to these down below in the description. But with these Wood Veneer Hub panels, 2 years later, it still looks really nice. There's no signs of wear and tear. I'm really happy that I went with this one here. I was able to get a discount, so do make sure that you look for discounts online with Wood Veneer Hub. But the way I actually installed it is that I actually used about 9 black drywall screw anchors to install each of these panels, and I easily got those from Amazon. I'll leave a link to those down below in the description. But 2 years later, I'd say I'm really happy still with my home office setup. I mean, I'll give you an entirely panel view of what my office looks like, but it really looks neat. Okay, so the right wall is black, these are the wooden slat panels, the left side is green. So if you're on the fence of whether or not to get these wooden slat panels, I mean, you can start off with one panel and see what it looks like. That's what I initially started off with. And then in order to actually cut these panels, I use 3 tools. I use the jigsaw to actually cut out the electrical outlets like what you see over there. I use the circular saw to actually cut across the wooden panels. And then I also used a box cutter to just kind of do some fine cuts when it came to cutting the actual felt within the wooden panels itself. But even so, installation was a breeze. There's multiple ways that you can install this. Some people use wall glue. Some people use like an actual wooden panel in the back and then screw it onto that. I went with a very simple drywall screw. All right, it couldn't be easier. I literally just screwed it into the wall, about 9 screws per panel. So I'll leave links to these down below in the description. But 2.5 years later, or 2 years later I should say, I'd say I still record videos in here. I still have my meetings in here. I still take Zoom calls in here, and it works perfectly just fine. So if you're on the fence of getting these, I'd say go for it. You can start off with just one panel to see how it looks like on your wall. And overall, I'd say I'm extremely happy with that. I'm very happy that I went with Wood Veneer Hub. This video isn't sponsored by them. And I remember thinking like installation was going to be my hardest thing. But really, the screws, just screw it straight into the wall. There's no preparation needed. And that's what I did. And it's still holding strong even 2 years later. So if you guys have any questions about the Wood Veneer Hub, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.